Good evening, everyone. Lawyers with the U.S. Justice Department have finalized a recommendation on whether the top's gunman should face the death penalty.
But before a final decision is made, there are a few more steps. News 4's Patrick Ryan has details. Patrick?
Don and Jackie, it's been a year and a half since 10 innocent people were killed and 3 others injured at the Jefferson Avenue tops. The future of the federal case against the gunman, Peyton Gendron, hinges on whether or not the nation's chief prosecutor wants to pursue the death penalty.
Death is different, and there's really no timeline.
The U.S. Attorney's Office confirms to News 4 that a committee of DOJ lawyers have finalized their recommendation as to whether top's gunman Peyton Gendron should face the death penalty. However, the committee's suggestion remains unknown. Attorney John Elmore represents the families of some victims.
Some of the families feel that life without parole is enough, that for him to live life in prison, Gendron for the rest of his life is a terrible punishment. Other people feel strongly that if any case deserves a death penalty, then this is one of them.
The findings in the report lands next on the desk of U.S. Deputy Attorney General Lisa Monaco. Attorney General Merrick Garland will then make the final decision whether the gunman should face execution.
Whether he gets executed and when he gets executed, if there is a death penalty sentence, it could be many, many, many years from now.
If the U.S. does pursue execution, the case against the gunman will go to trial. Lawyers for the shooter have said if the death penalty comes off the table, their client will plead guilty to the charges against him. Elmore tells us the only opinion on the topic that matters is that of the victims' families.
President Biden ran on an anti-death penalty platform. And in July of last year, Merrick Garland issued a moratorium on death penalty executions.
Zanetta Everhart's son, Zaire Goodman, was wounded in the shooting. She wants to see a death penalty trial.
There are consequences to the things that you do to American citizens on American soil, and that we're coming for you. That's what this trial has the potential to do.
The gunman was previously sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole in New York State's case against him. Lawyers will be back in federal court for a status conference and oral arguments on January 12th. Patrick Ryan, News 4.